Well, my name is Simon, and I volunteer for the Cardiff Wellbeing team, and I do the boccia on Wednesdays afternoons, and I also now volunteer on Fridays between 1 and 3, also at the powerhouse where I live. And overall, I've done 8 years volunteering in all. It was basically when I was basically, at rock bottom. I was probably slightly nervous, I suppose. Really, as you do, right? A bit nervous, and because I didn't know anybody, and I haven't looked back since. Yeah, and I thoroughly, I thoroughly enjoy doing it. Really, You'll begin to enjoy life a bit more, really, and and all your worries and things like that will steadily go down, and your confidence levels will go up. See?